Thanks, Mattel, for paying me and helping me create this video. I think I like her hair. How does that look on me? Oh. Hey guys, it's Mommy Cray Cray and... Wait, you don't have a name?
My name is the most beautiful, the beautifulest Naya.
Did you hear that, Ellie? She said she was the most beautiful. Do you agree with that?
Creatable hugs.
Oh, she's doing a Creatable World hug. Which today, that is what we're doing. We have a crazy challenge that we're going to be doing today with our new
Creatable World doll.
Creatable World doll. So guys, I was trying to pick it up and I was like too weak, even though this is super light. So let me tell you guys about Creatable World. It is a customizable doll line that provides kids a blank canvas to create multiple characters again and again. And what's amazing is that you can create over 100 plus looks from just one doll kit. Each one comes with a doll, a wig, and plenty of premium fashion accessories like real working zippers, pockets, belt loops, and bags that actually open and you can put things in. So Mattel sent us all these really cute Creatable World dolls.
Are super cute.
And I love this girl, how she has the cute glasses.
I know. What's so crazy about, look at these dolls. Okay, so guys, you see, look, she comes with different clothes, different accessories, and top it off, she can have short hair or long hair. So she has a wig. Sus, look, finally, they're up with the times where we need a little weave snatching, you know, like we need a little weave and a little. So let me show you all the dolls we have. And then the girls are going to have to do a challenge where they're going to have to mix and match the dolls and create a look. And then, guess what, guys?
We have the recreated on you.
Recreated on me. So let's take a look at all the ones that we have. All right, guys, when I told you we had a lot, we have a lot. So we have 6 different ones, and they don't have names, so I'm sure we can name them ourselves, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now, what we're going to do is we're going to style each doll randomly. Like, we're just going to pick different stuff up and put it on our dolls, and then we're going to do something really cool. Okay, so the girls are facing the Christmas tree. Well, I numbered each of these boxes 1 through 6. So the girls are going to pick a number randomly, and they don't know which one they're going to get, but I'm going to have them choose. All right, rock, paper, scissors, let's go.
Rock, paper.
Wait, what kind of rock,
paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, okay, so Naya, pick a number 1 through 6.
Wait, because that was my...
Number 3, Ellie, what number do you want?
9.
Not, what, 1 through 6?
7.
Bruh.
7.
1 through 6, bruh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
5. Okay, so you have 3, you have 5. Let's take a look. Okay, who had 3? Naya?
Me.
Naya, you're getting Naomi.
Yes.
Ellie, you are getting number 5 right now.
Yes, the girl with the dress. Yes.
I was going to go for number 6, but then I was like, okay, I should stay with my gut.
Okay, so what's amazing too, you guys both picked like the brown skin dolls, so which is awesome. So what you're going to do now is open them up and create an outfit of your choice. Let's see what you guys pick. All right, so go ahead, girls, and open up your dolls, and let's see what your outfits and everything are.
Well, this is super easy to open.
Oh.
Yeah, it comes with these things so you can see different ways you can mix and match and put different
They
outfits
even
in
show
your
you
doll.
the other dolls that you can put.
I know. Oh, Ellie. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ah! Okay, the hat fell out. Look at all the stuff. The wig, the clothes.
Like if
This is amazing. I love this wig. I love the braid wig. And then here is Naya's looking super. This is amazing. All right, girls. So why don't you go ahead and dress your doll?
Let me see what the wig looks like, because I actually like this style. I am the best at applying wigs. Her hair, I wish my hair looked half
Is this
like
how
that.
it is?
So cute.
Is this how?
Let me see hers. Yeah. There she is with her cute wig on.
Oh.
Right,
Oh,
here you go.
Cute. Thanks.
My doll
Let me take. So I'm gonna put on this.
my doll is famous, people.
So I'm gonna put on this rainbow top. So I'm gonna put on these cute cheeks.
Alright, let me try to get, I don't know why this won't work. Oh! I don't know how you apply skirts. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's add this to her outfit, then she'll almost be done. Because I love wearing pants or skirts. Alright, there you go, girl.
All right, guys, so Naya's doll is done, and she looks amazing. Look at her cute blue shoes. She has this coral skirt. I just realized there's blue in the skirt, so that I see what you did there. You're trying to make her look super fashion. She has this little black top underneath and this glitter silver jean jacket. And she has a bag. She is looking ready to go. And she has her glasses up top. Super cool.
Ooh,
Oh my goodness, look at Naomi. So she has her rainbow striped shirt, her cool sunglasses, her little shorts, and these red boots are what make these
she's
like
going
sneaker
to a
boots.
club.
A club
Well, a cute club.
for kids?
Yeah.
She should be going to school, not watching YouTube all
she's
day and going to a
the
club
kids'
for
club.
kids. She needs to be home doing math and science.
No, she's going to a birthday party.
I'm so going to this birthday party, and I'm going to be the best one dressed.
It's a rainbow birthday party.
All right, guys, so they've both got their dolls, and they've established what their dolls look like and what they have on. Now it's on to round 2, where I am going to take out all the dolls, all the clothes, all the wigs, and the girls are going to have to make outfits blindfold in the second round to see what they end up with. Your second doll, you're going to see what, you end up coming out with
so
for
you
an
don't
outfit.
know what doll you're grabbing?
You don't know what doll you're grabbing. You don't know what clothes you're grabbing. You don't know what's going on.
You don't know what hair.
You don't know what hair.
You don't know what
It's like how I get dressed every day.
You don't know her weave.
her weave, really. Okay, guys. So we have our 4 dolls that we have left, and the girls are going to be blindfolded with. The only thing we have to blindfold with is a hat. They're going to pull this hat over their head and pick their next doll. The first person that's going to go is Ellie, because Naya got first, and then for last round. Ellie, you here with us?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's put this hat on Ellie.
Ah.
Okay. So the first doll you touch, Ellie, is the one you get. So let's see. Reach your hand out and touch a doll. Oh, okay. So Ellie has her doll. Ellie, you want to take off your blindfold and see your doll?
Oh, this is the doll I wanted. I was like, okay, please, I gotta pick this doll.
Okay, so she got this doll. Now it's Naya's turn. Naya, why don't you put the hat on?
Okay, I'm so glad because these are like, I love these dolls and I can't wait to see which one I get.
All right, so Naya, pick your doll. Remember, the first one you touch is the one you're going to get. Be careful. Wait, why is her hand?
No.
Wait, Naya, why is your
I
hand?
want the whole table.
No! You're like so far. Oh my
This
goodness.
doll.
Okay, let's see what she got.
I got this doll.
It looks like she got Curly Sue. All right, next we're going to pick their wigs. So they're not going to get the wigs that they actually come with. What? You mean I get to get new hair? This is fabulous. Okay, so now we have the 4 wigs that we have left. Okay, there's Naya now. It is her turn again. Let's mix these up.
Please say she
Okay.
doesn't get my wig.
Okay. All right, so Naya, the first wig you touch is the one you get. And go. Okay, so let's see what she got. She actually got her wig. You mean I get my hair? Yes, yes, yes. Hey, is something wrong with my hair? Oh no, I absolutely love your wig. It's just, I love to be me with mine. Yeah, true. I feel the same way. Okay, it is now Ellie's turn. Let's mix up her wigs and see what she gets. Keep your head to the side. All right, Ellie, and choose. Okay, so she got her wig. You want to open your eyes?
I know, guys. No!
You wanted her wig.
You touched this though.
She didn't touch that one first.
No.
You wanted the one that matches?
Yeah, how am I gonna put this on hold?
She could still wear a black wig.
I know. She could have pretty big.
Girls change their hair color all the time. For this next round, we're going to do piles of clothes and accessories. So this is pile A, and this is pile B. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins gets to pick which pile they want to do their clothes and accessories from.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so it looks like Naya won. Naya, which pile of clothing do you want?
This one.
Okay, so Naya has chosen this pile, and you get 3 minutes to dress your doll and go. So guys, you can create over 100 different looks with all the different accessories and the wigs and things that come with the doll. And it actually even has, look, real zippers that you can actually zip up and down like an actual real person's coat, which is pretty amazing to me. And look how cute this little coat is. It has like a little belt so you can tie it up and everything. Okay guys, so time is up and this is Ellie's final look. I can tell you, I love her blue eyes with the black hair. That's like one of my favorite combinations. I love her purple. And look at these pants. How cool are these pants with the paint splatter?
They look like a paint gun shot at them. And
I know. Wouldn't that be cool to wear? And the thing that really, I think, brings this whole look together are the pink shoes. So,
she's going to boot camp.
She's going to boot camp dressed like this?
Yeah, she's
I
Santa.
think they're going to kick her out of boot camp because she's not properly dressed. But unless she's going to fashion boot camp, then yeah, she's ready. So she has on a really cute shirt. And it has, I think it's a little monkey, which is so precious. She has her military jacket on her waist, these snakeskin pants, and these checkered shoes. And of course, she has a lined bag, and she has these cute little sunglasses in her hair. Oh, I heard you were going to military camp. Is that true? Totally not. I'm going to artist boot camp, where I'm going to paint like Picasso. Oh, well, I'm going to be at the skater park having such a good time. Is it a little cold to go skating? I heard there's like a cold front here in Florida. Yeah, but I don't care about wearing a coat. I'm a skater girl, and skater girls do what they have to do. I totally understand, but here, take this coat, and everyone will love you. Oh my goodness, I love your jacket. Oh, I look like a varsity girl. I'm so excited. Thank you for letting me borrow it. So for this next round, guys, we have real life clothing for me. So I have this overall here, and look, it is like the exact overall right here, minus the paint.
I know.
So next is this white top. As you guys can see, sleeveless. Guess who else has a white top? Minus the paint. Are you seeing a trend here? Are you seeing a trend? Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay, next is this long sleeve blue striped top. And voila, we have a long sleeve blue striped top. We have 3 items of actual real clothes to choose from in this round. And they each get to pick one item that they are then going to have to custom color to match whatever doll Creatable World doll clothing that they correspond with or match with. Okay,
yes,
so Ellie's getting the overalls, and Naya says she wants this white shirt. Guess who has jeans that match those? Me! They're a little bit darker, but look, they have the same kind of patches and everything that match that. The markers are out. Get ready, set, go. All right, guys, so here's the final look of Ellie's doll. We just choose one of the extra dolls that we had. So she has on the black top, this paint splatter overalls, and the black shoes. So take a look at my outfit. So the doll and I both have paint splatter, and we both have our black shoes. Now it's time to try on Naya's final outfit. All right, so now we have Naya's final look, and as you can see, she has that paint splatter shirt, the patch jeans, and she has the silver shoes. Now, take a look at my outfit, which is very similar. So I have this paint splatter shirt just like her. We both have silver shoes, guys. Honestly, guys, I loved both of these outfits and both of these looks. I think they're great for different occasions, so I'm having a hard time choosing who won. You guys let me know, who do you think won on this competition? We are so in love with our new Creatable World dolls, and parents, click the link below to find out more information about the Creatable World dolls. We will see you guys on the next one. Thanks, Mattel, for paying me and helping me create this video.